Welcome to OKOM Easy English channel. Today we are going to talk about parrot. The parrot is a beautiful bird. Its beak is red. The wings are green. There is a red line around its neck. The parrot eats fruits and grain as food. It lays eggs in hollows in trees. Parrots live in flocks. Some parrots can even talk.
Hello. I'm speaking.
So the environment is very beautiful because of these parrots.
New words in today's lesson. Beak, grain, hollows, flock. That is the end of the lesson for today. Remember to subscribe to our OKOM Easy English channel and click the bell icon to watch our videos as soon as they are posted. See you soon in the next lesson. Goodbye.
Goodbye.